Hi friends, welcome to Life Yantra channel. Today we are going to see a classic South Indian recipe which is prawn masala. This is super simple yet very delicious. Now let's go to the ingredients list. Half teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 sprigs curry leaf, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 big onion finely chopped, 1 big tomato pureed, 1 tablespoon gingerly oil or sesame oil, half kg prawns. Now I have deveined and deshelled them, and I have marinated them in 1 tablespoon lemon juice, pepper powder and salt. Now salt for cooking as required. Now let's see the masala powders required. 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon garam masala. Now let's see the method. Take a karai and turn the heat to a medium low. Let's add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now add the mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, let's add the curry leaf. Next, let's add the onions. Now let's stir fry it until it becomes brown. Now my onions are nicely browned. Let's add the ginger garlic paste. And cook until the raw smell goes away. Now the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Now let's add the tomato puree. Let's cook for about 30 seconds and then add the masala powders. Now I cooked the tomato for about 30 seconds. Now let's add the masala powders. Let's cook until the oil separates from the tomato mixture. If it is a little bit too dry, add maybe a teaspoon or so of oil. Now the masala is cooked and the oil is separated. Let's add the prawns. Let's mix nicely until the masalas are all coated. Now let's simmer and cook it for 10 minutes. Now the prawns are cooked perfectly. Now let's add salt and adjust the taste accordingly. Now the prawn masala is ready. Garnish it with coriander leaves, and it can pair, this dish can pair very well with steamed rice.